Today I want to show you guys this RC helicopter. The brand sent me to make a video for you guys. It is really easy to operate. As you can see, it just fly by itself. You don't really need to do anything if you don't want to, and very easy to use. You can use this to rotate. You can see just like this. It will be able to turn 360. You can go back and forward just like this, and it has two gears. You have a speed option here. Once you press this, you will hear one beep or double beep. If you hear two beeps, you will hear that it is gonna be fast, just like this. That is the speed mode. So very easy. You can easily also land. So all you have to do is just press this button. You will see that it is going to land just like this, and it safely lands. And once you are ready, you can just press this and it will just take off just like that. You can see, so works really well. It comes with two batteries, and you can easily replace the blade. You have two blades for each set. In total, four replacement blades, and very easy to replace. They just snap in and out. So very cool toy. I hope you guys found this useful.